Hi, I am Bas. In this video, I'm going to explain how to sell an ebook on WordPress. I sell an ebook already for years on my Dutch website and I know how it works. I think all those years I sold already for more than thousands ebooks, so hopefully you can do that also. I'm using a plugin for that, and with the plugin, it's very easy to sell the ebook on WordPress. Let's start immediately so that you can sell also your ebook. At first, we need to download the plugin. We go here to plugins, add new plugin. We search for easy digital downloads. Easy digital downloads, yes. Okay, and here you see the plugin we need. We click on install now. We activate the plugin. And you see the plugin is active now. Refresh the page. Ctrl F5. And when you go to the dashboard menu, you see here downloads. We are going to add immediately an ebook so that you know how it works and that you can sell it. So we click here on downloads. And then to add a new ebook in this download section, we click on here on add new. Then here we are going to add a download name. I call it now, for example, PDF ebook test. And here you can give a description. Description test. Okay, and it's a single product. Then we can give the ebook a price. For now, for example, $10. Then we need to add the download file. I made the test PDF, for example, so we are going to add that one. Then we click here to add the file. I uploaded it already to the media library, so here it is. I select it, insert into download, okay. I added the file. Then here you can give some download instructions. So I say download instruction test. Okay. And then we are going to publish it. We click here on publish. Publish. Yes. Okay. Here you can view the download if you want. It is looking like this. PDF ebook test, description test. And when you click on this button, you can buy the ebook. But that doesn't work yet because we didn't add a payment gateway. So let's do that. To do that, we go to the dashboard again. We go to downloads and then settings. Click here on payments. You see here the active gateways. No gateway is active yet because we didn't activate a gateway. With the free version of this plugin, you can connect for free with PayPal. You can connect also for free with the Stripe payment gateway if you want. Let's go back to general. And when you click here, payment gateways, then you have other options to connect with other payment gateways. But you need to have a subscription for that, the pro version. But with the free version, what I said already, you can use also for free PayPal or Stripe. The pro version gives you more possibilities. And you don't have to pay additional transaction fees for Stripe with the pro version, the subscription. That's something you need to do by yourself. Connect with the payment gateway. For now, we are only going to test if it works. So let's go back to the settings. Here you see the active gateways. To test it, we click on Store Gateway. Default gateway, Store Gateway. And here you can select payment method icons. But we are not going to use that now because we only gonna test it. So we click on Save Changes. Let's see if it works. We go to the downloads again. Here you see the PDF ebook test that we have added to the downloads. Click here on View. We are going to test if it works and that visitors can buy the ebook on your website. So we click here on this button to buy the ebook. Add it to cart, check out. I am currently logged in already, so I don't have to give account information. PDF ebook test, $10, total $10, purchase. Please wait. Okay, and it works. Here you see the PDF ebook test I bought. I can download the ebook here. Yes, I downloaded it as a test. And here you see the order status completed, payment method, store gateway, etc, etc. But you see now it works. You have to set up a payment gateway so that visitors can pay with real money. That is what you want. With the free version of the plugin, you have possibilities. You can sell already an ebook and make connections to the payment gateways PayPal and Stripe. When you want to go to a higher level, you can think about the paid version of the plugin. Easy digital downloads. easydigitaldownloads.com. And when you go here to pricing, you see all what you get when you buy a paid version of the plugin. There are different paid versions like personal, extended, professional, all access pass. When you start, for example, with the personal one, you can read here what you all get extra that you don't have in the free version. With the free version you have some minimalistic options, but you can sell an ebook already. But when you want to go to a higher level, you need one of these paid plans. So test the plugin out, and if you want to a higher level, you can buy one of these paid plans of the plugin. Was this video helpful for you? Click on the like button. Do you want to see more videos about WordPress, SEO and affiliate marketing? Click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.